Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is ask and you will be given. Jesus Christ said, ask and you shall be given. Most excellent understanding of life. But have you ever thought or given any importance to that sentence? No. Because we are so busy in our life that our life has become a machine. We have become very mechanical. A machine has no time. A machine doesn't think. That is the condition of our human being. Then comes why I will ask, whom to ask, where to ask, and how to ask. I am telling you why you will ask. We are living in a limited dimension of cause and effect, time and space. This dimension is full of stress, strain and suffering. But there are the fourth dimension, that is the transcendental field, the field of infinite possibilities. In this dimension, there is no stress, strain and suffering, and you can access it very easily, and from that infinite possibilities you can choose your life. Your life will be phenomenal. Then comes whom to ask. You have to contact the field of transcendental consciousness, the field of infinite possibilities. You just go and ask that field. Then comes where is the field? The field is everywhere around you. It was there before the creation of the universe. It will be there after the complete annihilation of the universe. Just you be aware of that. You will ask there around you. Then comes how I will ask. For how, you have to learn the connecting principle. You have to learn the technology and technique of transcendental consciousness. Then you can contact that field. Otherwise not. For our forthcoming seminars, webinars and workshop, please stay tuned with us. Subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.